Did you hide your food? Huh? Did you hide your food? Is this your food here? All hidden? Right here? That what that is? That's your food? Yeah, you better hide it. Hide your food. Right here, buddy. Hide your food. Look. Alright, go over here and hide it. Better fix it. It's a good boy. Good boy. Good boys. You hide your food. Good boy. Get it. Hide your food. That's a good boys. That's a good boy. Make it so no one knows where it is. That's a good boy. Hide your food. Hide it. I can still see the bowl. Hide it. You gonna hide your food? Is that good enough for you? Is that good enough? You okay with that? Is that good? Yeah? You can leave it alone now? Yeah? Go outside now? You good to go outside? Berto, you're a funny boy. Is that all good over there? No, good enough, huh? Okay, buddy. Let's go outside. Back. Swate. Wait. Okay. Go ahead. It's a good boy.